What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to share with you 4 websites for finding great deals for your Vegas trip. First up, SmarterVegas.com. On this website you can find deals on attractions, dining, hotels, and nightlife. This website is laid out pretty well. You can even filter by your travel dates, which makes it a little bit easier to find the promotions you're looking for. To get the most out of this website, you'll want to definitely sign up. As you'll see in a second, there are some discount codes that you can only see if you're signed in to the website. So looking at this page here, you'll see that some of the discount codes do require you to be logged in, but the login is just an email address that you have to submit, so it can be a throwaway, no biggie. Very easy to sign up, and it's definitely worth it. I normally get comp rooms with the casinos nowadays, but if you're not getting those comp offers yet, then check out this website so you can get discounted rooms at the very least. Most of the hotel deals listed are for strip locations, but there are a couple off-strip locations that you can check out as well. I also think it's pretty cool how they list the resort fees for each hotel, so you can expand and get more details about what you're paying for with that resort fee. They also list out deals for tours. And over here you can find some information about different nightclubs. You can click through and get more details about cover charges, hours of operation, things like that. Next we have Vegas for Locals. This is another really good site, and this site doesn't just list out discount deals, it actually gives you information about local things happening in Vegas, auctions, different events that are going to be held in Vegas. But there is a coupons tab that you can click on, and that's where you'll find your different discounts for your shows, your tours and attractions, dining, nightlife, and various other things. You can even find coupons for the Caesars Forum shops. And here you'll find some free things that you can do in Vegas. This list is not 100% accurate. Some of these items on here you actually do have to pay for, but you can go through the list and find some items that are actually free. Maybe you need some information on wedding chapels, looking to get married, here you go. Next, we have LasVegasEnvy.com. This website won't be winning any awards for its layout, but if you dig a little bit, there is some useful information here. Got some information on restaurants here. And this is what we're looking for right here. This is where you can find a list of different deals, printable coupons. Take a look. Maybe I want to go catch my boy Da Vinci. Here we go, $5 off. And then there's more forum shops, coupons. There's a bunch of stuff in here, check it out. And last but not least, we have Groupon. On Groupon, you will be able to find a bunch of deals on food in Vegas, drinks, and especially on the club and pool crawls. This is where I go to find really cheap deals on those club crawls. Alright guys, this was a quick video, but I just wanted to share some of the resources that I use to save even more money when I'm traveling to Vegas. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe.